Good morning students. Today we will learn the concept of compound interest. Compound interest is the excess of accumulated amount over the original principal. You must be aware about the concept of simple interest. You know that simple interest is calculated by the formula P into R into T by 100, where P stands for principal, R stands for rate of interest and T stands for time period. But in many business transactions, nowadays interest is not calculated by this method. Rather, they will adopt compound interest. So we should know what is compound interest. This will be clear to you by the way of an example. Says if our principal is rupees 10,000, rate of interest 10% per annum and time period is 2 years. In that case, the simple interest for that period becomes 2,000. And if we add the simple interest to the principal, the amount becomes 12,000. But in the scheme of compound interest, the interest is calculated over a period only. If the time period is 2 years, the interest will be calculated separately for first year and second year. Why? Because when we calculate the interest for first year, we get rupees 1,000 as interest and the amount becomes 11,000. This amount of 11,000 becomes the principal for the next year. It means the principal for the next year is increased as compared to the principal of the previous year. So for the second year, the interest becomes rupees 11,000 because the rate is same 10%. Here because for 1 year we are talking about, so the time is 1 and here also time is 1. Interest becomes 1100. When we add the interest to the principal, which is 11,000, our amount becomes 12,100. And if we compare this 12,100 to the 12,000, what we see that 12,100 is more than 12,000. It means this scheme is more beneficial as compared to our previous method, which is simple interest. Fine. Thank you.